Abaphathi be-SABC neemanyano zabasebenzi basatshitshisana ngomba wokudendwa kwabasebenzi, kwaye abaphathi bame kwelithi iimanyano zabasebenzi zirhuqa iinyawo kule nyewe. Iimanyano zabasebenzi zona zityhola umqashi ngokuxoxa ngendlela engathembekanga.
They always changes their presentation to a point that they've said that we should not look at the corporate plan. It's not a legal document, which proves that they don't know what they are doing. So coming here and speaking that they are saying are not put into practice.
The issue that we have been raised all along, where we said that it looks as if there may be a bloated management structure, because you will have people that sits on what is called a managerial scale code, but there is no one reporting to them. That is a proposal from the SABC in their new structure as well. When we asked them about that, they said, well, that's a specialist role.
Isebe lezonxibelelwano lithi liza kufuna ingxelo ngobume bale nkqubo yokudendwa kwabasebenzi.
What is obtaining in the public space around issues of retrenchments has not come to our attention. So we're reading all these things like all other members of the public.
Umbutho omele abahleli belijelo losasazo uthi SABC mayiphathe ngononophelo le nkqubo, edlulisa esithi le nkqubo yophula imiphefumlo yabasebenzi.
There are discussions about how to deal with this matter because, honorable members, you can understand that already the context here is that people are fearful. There is Section 189 discussions that are happening, and then we see a person who is on air being taken off air like that. The manager was never informed beforehand, and the programming was affected for an hour and a half.
Kusenjalo isebe lezonxibelelwano lithi lilindele isigqibo sesebe lezimali malunga nesicelo sokuxhasa i-SABC ngemali engangesigidigidi esinesiqingatha serandi. Xulelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.